The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R has officially landed, and it's turning heads like never before. This isn't just a minor update, it's a full-blown evolution of a superbike legend. If you thought the previous ZX-10R models were insane, wait until you see what Kawasaki has done this year. The design, the performance, the electronics, everything has been taken up a notch to deliver a track-dominating, road-ripping experience that's going to shake the sportbike world to its core. Right off the bat, the design speaks volumes. The 2025 ZX-10R features sharper, more aggressive aerodynamics, refined winglets integrated seamlessly into the front fairing, and that menacing face that screams pure race DNA. It's more than just cosmetic. Kawasaki focused heavily on reducing drag and improving downforce to keep the bike planted even at ridiculous speeds. The LED headlights are sleeker, the windscreen is slightly taller for better wind deflection, and the overall bodywork is sculpted with wind tunnel precision. This machine looks like it's doing 200 miles per hour standing still. Underneath all that carbon fiber-inspired attitude is the same screaming inline-4 engine, but with refinements that make it more responsive, smoother, and more powerful. The 998cc engine now pushes out even more horsepower thanks to EQ tweaks, improved airflow, and internal enhancements that raise the performance ceiling without sacrificing reliability. Whether you're launching off the line or redlining down a straightaway, the ZX-10R delivers brutal acceleration and spine-tingling top-end power. Kawasaki has also fine-tuned the power band to give you more torque in the midrange, which means better drive out of corners and more real-world usability. The electronics suite in the 2025 model is smarter, faster, and more customizable. Kawasaki's latest IMU-based electronics now manage traction control, cornering ABS, engine braking, launch control, wheelie control, and even slide control with razor-sharp precision. New for 2025 is an upgraded TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to pair their smartphones for ride data logging, turn-by-turn navigation, and bike status monitoring through the Kawasaki Radiology app. It's all about giving the rider more control without overwhelming them, technology that works with you, not against you. The chassis remains true to its roots with a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, but suspension has been upgraded for even better feel and control. The Showa balance-free fork and rear shock have been retuned to offer improved ride compliance without sacrificing track-level firmness. This bike is stiff where it needs to be, yet composed enough to handle bumpy roads without tossing the rider around. Handling is razor-sharp, flickability is top tier, and the brakes, massive Brembo calipers gripping high-performance discs, offer incredible stopping power with great feel at the lever. But what really makes the 2025 ZX-10R stand out is how it blends that raw race DNA with surprising street manners. You can still ride it comfortably on daily commutes or spirited weekend rides, but twist the throttle wide open, and it transforms into a full-blown track missile. Kawasaki hasn't tried to tame the beast. They've just made it smarter, sharper, and more precise. For riders chasing lap times, there's also the ZX-10RR version with even more aggressive tuning, forged Marcassini wheels, and upgraded internals designed for hardcore track use. But for most enthusiasts, the standard ZX-10R already delivers more performance than 99% of riders will ever need. It's a bike that rewards skill and punishes hesitation. Every curve becomes a thrill, every straight a challenge, and every red light a launch pad. The exhaust note alone is worth a listen. Deep, guttural, and mechanical, it roars to life with every twist of the wrist. Kawasaki didn't just build a motorcycle. They unleashed a beast designed to dominate both road and circuit. The 2025 Ninja ZX-10R isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. A reminder that Kawasaki still knows how to build a purebred superbike that's as capable on the racetrack as it is thrilling on the streets. If you're looking for a ride that combines cutting-edge tech, insane performance, and that iconic ninja styling, the 2025 ZX-10R should be on your radar. It's fast, it's furious, and it's ready to leave everything else in its dust.